Let's take a look at these brand spanking new acrylic markers sent to us from Arrtx and draw some cute little Christmas cards. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, and guys, don't forget to like, hype, and subscribe, because it really helps the channel to grow. Now, there's a lot of promises on this box, son. We've got better coverage with fewer pen marks, waterproof, brush tip, liquid ink, zero pumping. What's going on here?
I am really hyped about these. Number one, check out the cute design on the box. I love all these little happy clouds and the little hearts and stuff.
Cloud baby.
Ever since we've been getting sponsored by Arrtx, because this video is sponsored by Arrtx.
It is.
I have always had my eye on, there was a smaller set of these, and then they reached out to us and they were like, we've just made a bigger set of those, would you be interested? Like, yes, I would.
We were like, go on.
These ones have better coverage.
Exactly. I'm impatient, so this is amazing news. Also, though, if I can just pop the top off. New design alert! Come here, you.
Smiley faces on them.
And you can see the ink going through them. These are amazing because all you need to do is pop off the cap, give it a shake because there's a ball inside, you haven't got to pump it. If it's as easy as that, I'll be very impressed. The only problem is that there is 60 and Steph's going to want to swatch them. So without further ado, why don't we do some swatching?
Why don't I just have the best time of my
Oh,
life?
God!
I like some of like the darker coloured ones because you can really see the little faces on them.
So cute, yeah. Because like some art supplies, you know, they'll have little window things to show you how much ink's left, but none of them have a cute little friendly cloud saying, oh, you've got this much left.
I accidentally swatched one of the colours twice and I'm not sure which one it was, so plus your guesses which ones.
Like, hey, you're asking me? Comment down below, where is the duplicate swatch? Because I can't see
it. Must be in this row. We've never quite done something exactly like this before, and I thought it might be nice to show you guys like a simple design that you could come up with for.
Oh my god, are you going to do a tutorial?
Step one is to, in a pencil, sketch a circle.
Oh, a circle, okay, that's easy to start with.
Then you come over here and you put like a little triangle at the top.
I know what this is going to be.
Imagine the circle is like cut into 4 quarters. Now, if you just put like another little circle in here, then if you come down into this bottom quarter, do like a triangle or like a cone kind of shape. And then if you come in and you just draw some like little feet that are literally just like L's, this is so simple. I feel like anyone could literally draw this if they wanted to.
Where's this dude's flappers?
Maybe we'll do that with like a semicircle, just to keep it like a basic shape.
It's amazing! I have to admit, the amount that you've got, you could pretty much, I mean, we're doing Christmas, right? You could pretty much do anything with these. You could do your anime stuff, you could do comic stuff, you could probably do realism if you really wanted to. Oh, look how smooth that's.
Yeah, that's going on really nicely. I'm trying to remember what, I'll get one up on my phone because we have European robins over here and they are very round. Okay, here is a look at like a European robin. I'm gonna come over here and give him like some bangs or like a fringe.
Oh my god, a stylish robin. Ooh.
Yeah, let's colour that bit in. We'll come back to our circle.
He's got like a bulk. It's like what it was like my hair when I was a kid.
The little semicircle wing, we can do that in the same brown colour.
How smooth that's going down. Look at that red.
That's a really nice
That's a
red.
very festive red. It's like they blended up Santa and just put him in there.
So with it being a brush tip, you can push down and get like thicker shapes and lines, or you can do it thinner and do more like tiny details. So
we love a robin with variants. Oh, look at him.
And if you make any mistakes, that's okay. You just let it dry and then you can paint on top with acrylic markers.
That's the magic.
Yeah,
of
that's
the acrylic.
One of my favourite parts about working with these.
You don't have to pump these. It actually says on the box that you just need to shake them. But in all honesty, Steph hasn't shook that one. And look at how much is coming out.
I haven't needed to. 2 lines on his tail.
Little feathery bits.
And this line just to like separate that from the
Oh,
rest
that
of the
really
design.
helped. I really like that. Detailing near the white, you mad lad. Look at it.
You mad lad.
Merry Pigmas, everybody. Oh, it's a guinea. I want to try and colour him in. Kind of like how Patches looked.
Oh, you'll have to put patches on screen.
Is this an orange? Oh, this goes down smooth. Shut up. Look at that. Oh my God. There's no like streaks or anything. I was so impressed. When Steph was doing it, I was like, oh, it's probably because she knows what she's doing. But look at that. It's oh my God. It's so good. Look how smooth that goes down. I'm so impressed. The fact that you don't need to pump them as well, that's what gets me. Like, if you had to pump it a lot, I'd be like, yeah, that's fair. Should we do orange on the other side as well? What do you think? Because this pig could be any kind of pig, but if we were going for patches, he would need another one down here.
I think it's such a cute idea as like a Christmas card to draw the person's pet wearing like a little Christmas hat.
It's so much better, like, yeah, because I come from a family that were like, oh, let's take a family photo and send that. I'm like, oh, that's horrible. No one enjoys that, Mom.
Oh, my family never did that.
Oh, really?
I find that really
You were
novel.
You were spared. My mum was one of those people where she would dress me and my brother in the same clothes, and it was horrible.
Oh, wow.
We weren't even twins. Why would she do that? Between me and my brother, there's a 5-year age gap, and she still tried to dress us up as twins. I'm like, Mum, this is cruel and unusual. Stop. She's got his little orange markings. Oh, I gave him little brows too. Now, I need like a really nice baby pink for his lips.
The pinks are over in this box.
What about this one? Because some guinea pigs, guys, have such pink lips. Oh, little baby. No.
Oh, yeah, that's a nice pink.
You like that? We could do his nose in that as well. Why not? His nose. And like his little bits down here. Little baby. Oh. Was this that really nice red that you picked?
Yeah, I was leaving that one out because I thought that would be really useful for the Christmas hat.
Christmas! Look how smooth it got. How many times have I said that in this video, guys? Drink some water every time I've said, look how smooth these are. You'll be very hydrated. Because look how smooth
I'll drink some eggnog every time he says.
Oh, God.
Like festive.
Oh.
What's your favourite, like, festive drink?
This doesn't sound very festive. I like drinking apple juice at Christmas. Why is that funny?
I like novel hot chocolates, you know, when they like bring out limited edition flavour ones and it's like a mint hot chocolate.
That's the thing though, so many Christmas things are always warm and spicy, and I'm not really that into that. I don't like warm, spicy things.
Yeah, I'm not into the spicy, but I am into the warm.
Should we do his whiskers? We have to be brave when we do the whiskers. Because you have to go over everything that you've done. It's, oh, God. And do like a little bit. Because you know guinea pigs have whiskers on their eyebrows too. And again, look at it. Because the brush, you can go so fine. I can go in there and get all the little details in. Oh.
What colour do you think you'll do the wrapping paper on this little present?
Well, I was going to ask your opinion. Because obviously there's going to be a lot of red around him. What's a nice complementary colour for this red, dear?
Well, they do usually say that red and green are popular at Christmas. That's a very festive colour.
Yeah. He could have like a green present. Why not? My little festive man. Oh, he loves you. Have you got like a nice sort of like colour for inside the mouth? Because he's got his little mouth open.
Okay, I think this is the darker pink.
I just want to go in there and just do inside his mouth because he's happy. He's smiling at you. He's saying, oh. Ah, have you got that brown? Is that over here? Because he's got little Christmas mittens on. And they're brown. Does Santa wear? Surely you must wear mittens, right? He must. Has anyone ever seen Santa's hands? That's very cryptic. But
I've never seen Santa in general.
What do you mean? You must have been very bad as a child.
Well, how many like one-on-one experiences do you have with him then?
I've sat on his lap. They don't do that no more, but I've sat on Santa's lap when I was a kid. Oh,
well, if we're including that, I used to cry whenever I was told to do that as a kid.
Oh, really?
And I used to have to stand next to him because I refused to sit on his lap.
When I remember, like, it was like a core memory. They had like a grotto that was in a mall, if anyone remembers those. And I went in and I sat on his lap, and he said, "Hello, what's your name?" And I told him, and he said, "What do you want for Christmas?" And I said, "I want to meet Sonic the Hedgehog." And you know what Santa did? He laughed.
So did I.
Good luck. And then he gave me a toy car instead. And how about I give you one of these? Well, no, actually, I kind of met Sonic because that Christmas I got Sonic on the Sega Mega Drive, so I kind of met him. I thought that was pretty cool. Why was that funny?
I just think it's cute. How many of your childhood memories involve Sonic?
Sonic is my only friend. I might try and leave the ribbon white and the present green. Obviously, I'll go back in and line it because it'll look like a bit of a blob. I think, without the detail, but we'll go in and do that. A huge thank you to Arrtx for sponsoring this video. If you would like to see another Arrtx video where we draw macaroni, do check out this video on screen. And don't forget to like and subscribe so we can see you next time for another doodle date.
Yeah, we paint macaroni on a big canvas.
And he's gorgeous.
He shows us a surprise in that video.
Oh.